All right, this is the next question I wanted us to look at. It says that you are about to take a test containing questions of type A worth 4 points and questions of type B worth 7 points. It says to us that we must answer at least 4 of A and we must answer at least 3 of B, but altogether, we're not allowed to answer more than 18, and for each one, you can't go over 10. We want to know, what do we have to do to maximize our score? Which makes me think that the fxy is going to deal with the 4 and the 3 because those are the scores. And let me correct that. It should be the 4 and the 7 because those are the point values. So we're going to let x equal a and let y equal b. We need at least 4 of a, but we can't have more than 10 of it. We need y to have at least 3, and again, we can't have more than 10. And altogether, when you put them together, you can't have more than 18. And don't forget, we always want to trap in the first quadrant. So that makes our fxy function 4 points for x, 7 points for y. So now as I go through this, I'm thinking we're going to go by 2's on the axes. So x has to be greater than or equal to 4, which puts us here because remember we're going by 2's. But it cannot be bigger than 10. So just remember you're going by 2 values here. That's why the graph looks a little shorter. It says that y has to be bigger than 3. So I'm going to go right between a box. But y also has to be less than 10. So again, if you're doing your little arrows, I'm in between and in between. So again, I'm in that little box area. And it says x and y have to be 18. So if you do the cover up, you're going to be on 18 for both x and y values. So 12, we got an 18 there and an 18 there. And if we connect them, we are looking at a feasible region right in here. So that's your feasible region. We need to get our corner points. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So if we chart those out, that looks to me to be 4, 3. The next one to the right would be 10, 3. Above it would be 10, 8, it looks like. Keep going. Above this value would be 4, 10, and that little angled one looks to be 6, 10. So those are the values that you're going to plug in. Now, if I go to the work done out, and actually I made a mistake. It's not 6, 10. This one should be 8, 10. If I go to the values that we've got here, we're going to see that we need 8 of type A and 10 of type B. That's the one that gives us the most value with a max score of 102 points.